Let's talk today about the liberal international order. After Second World War, the West built what came to be known as liberal international order. और इसकी promise जो थी वो बहुत powerful थी कि rules होंगे, institutions होंगे, free trade होगा, sovereignty होगा, human rights होगा, multilateral cooperation होगी. और idea ये था कि जितनी ज़्यादा states common rules को और common institutions को join करेंगी, उतनी ही दुनिया ज़्यादा stable होगी और peaceful होगी. But here is the deeper question that you should ask. Was this order truly international or was it a Western-led order which was presented as universal? जो लोग इसको support करते हैं वो ये कहते हैं कि इस order की वजह से दोबारा great power war नहीं हुई, trade expand हुआ, institutions build हुए and it gave weaker states some protection through law. लेकिन इसके जो critics हैं वो argue करते हैं कि ये order कभी भी neutral नहीं था. Rules were defended when convenient, they were ignored when they were inconvenient, sovereignty mattered for some, intervention or wars जो थी वो justify की गई against others and human rights were invoked selectively. Now this is why the crisis of liberal international orders is not only about China, Russia or American decline. It is about legitimacy. And now competing visions of world order are emerging. Russia and China speak of a multipolar order जो कि based है sovereignty पे, non-interference पे and resistance to Western dominance. China promote करता है developmental order, infrastructure, trade, connectivity corridors and state-led growth without demanding liberal democracy. Global South often calls for a reformed order, not a world without rules, but rules that are fairer, that are less selective, and that are more representative. So the real struggle today is not between order and chaos. It is between different ideas of order. A liberal order is based on values, a multipolar order which is based on sovereignty, a developmental order based on growth, and a reformist order demanding justice. So the deeper lesson is this: international orders do not survive because they call themselves liberal. They survive जब वो देखे जाते हैं as legitimate. And legitimacy requires more than rules. It requires fairness. It requires consistency. It requires representation and restraint from the powerful. So असल सवाल ये नहीं है कि can the liberal international order be saved? Better question is, can any world order be legitimate if most of the world feels that it did not help write the rules?